Dear students, welcome to biology class of second POC. We are studying the unit called ecology. In that, organisms and population is a chapter that we are studying. In that, one of the topic that we are going to study today is population interaction, and this will be the last topic of the lesson. Let us see life history variation. How the variation in the life of the living organism is there. It's not saying for all the living organisms. It differs from species to species. Populations evolve to maximize their reproductive fitness or Darwinian fitness. But the Darwinian has told, struggle for existence, survival of fittest. The organism that is fit to the environment will survive. The organism which is not fit to the environment will vanish off, he said. And one more also he has told, struggle for existence. Any organism that has to exist, it has to take risk, struggle. So it also says population evolved to maximize their reproductive fitness or Darwinian fitness. They become more fit to survive. Under a particular set of selection pressure, organisms evolve towards the most efficient reproductive strategy. They have more efficient reproductive strategy to struggle. Some organisms breed only once in their lifetime. Take the example of a specific salmon fish, which dies after giving birth. Bamboo, which flowers once in its lifetime, while others breed many times, take most of the birds and mammals. Some produce a large number of small-sized offsprings. Oysters, pelagic fishes produce small-sized offsprings in a larger number, while others produce small number of large-sized offsprings. Take the example of birds and mammals. Therefore, there is a variation. This fact indicates that life history traits of organisms have evolved due to limited abiotic and biotic components of the habitat. So, let us see the interaction among the population. How the population interaction is there. Organisms interact in various ways to form a biological community. So different types of species will be living together in an area. At the same time, they also interact with each other for their survival. Interaction between the two species is called interspecific interactions. Interaction within the same species is intraspecific interaction. You must remember a slight difference, interspecific, intraspecific. Interspecific interaction is a type of interaction between the two species. They include the different types of interactions that are there between the species. There are some of the interactions that we are going to study in the chapter called the organisms and population. One of the type of interaction that we are going to study is mutualism, where both the species are benefited, indicated with a plus. You can see species A, species B. This is the species A, species B. Two species are there. Mutualism, in this mutualism, both the species are getting benefited, therefore they are indicated with the plus sign. There is one more type of interaction we are going to study, competition. Both the species are harmed in the competition, that is indicated with the minus sign. So you can see both the sides, A species, one species, another species. Where competition is there, both will vanish off, both will goes off. Another type of interaction that we are going to study is predation. One predator is benefited and the other one, what we say them as prey, is harmed. Therefore, it is indicated with plus and minus. Plus and minus. Plus is benefited, minus is harmed. Another type of interaction is parasitism. One is parasite, another one is host. Here, one is benefited, other is harmed, host is harmed, parasite is benefited. Another type of interaction that we are going to study is commensalism. One is benefited and other is unaffected, not affected. It is indicated with 0, neither benefited nor affected. The benefited one is indicated with the plus sign. Another type of interaction is amensalism. One is harmed, that is indicated with the minus sign, and other one is unaffected, that is indicated with 0, neither benefited nor harmed. In predation, parasitism, commensalism, the interacting species live closely together. Interact closely together, they will be living. So let us see one by one. One of the interaction that we see in the nature is predation. In the diagram, you can see herbivores and carnivores. Both are predators. In a broad ecological context, all carnivores, herbivores, etc. are predators. About 25% of the insects are phytophagous. Phytophagous are the type of insects that eat the plants. Phytophagous they are. So, if predator overexploits its prey, then the prey might become extinct. It results in the extinction of the predators. Therefore, predators are very dangerous. Sometimes they make the prey to vanish off, goes off extinct. So predator is a type of interaction between the two organisms where one organism is benefited and other organism is harmed or completely killed off. It is also called killed off, we can also say. Importance of predators. What is the importance of predators? Predators also we need because predators control prey population. It keeps the prey population under control. Otherwise, the prey population keeps on increasing. When certain exotic species are introduced into a geographical area, they spread fast due to the absence of its natural predators in the invaded land. Example, the prickly pear cactus introduced into Australia in the early 1920s caused havoc by spreading. Finally, the invasive cactus was brought under control only after a cactus feeding predator, a moth, was introduced into the country. So, this indicates that, this shows that predators control prey population. Second type of importance of the predator is biological control. Methods are based on the ability of the predator to regulate prey population. Biologically means the living organism itself controls the prey population. Maintain species diversity in a community by reducing the intensity of competition among competing prey species. Example, starfish pistis is a predator in the rocky interdial communities.